Recently, in a single image, the world just witnessed history. A sleek Su-57 Felon, painted in striking turquoise and white desert tones, proudly bearing Algerian roundels on its tail. No more rumors, no more speculation. Russia's most advanced fighter is now operational on African soil, and the Algerian pilots are already putting it through its paces. This moment is more than a photo op. It's proof of Russia's unbreakable dominance in fifth-generation aviation and a powerful statement of strategic partnership between Moscow and Algiers. While others talk about sanctions and isolation, Russia delivers cutting-edge technology that changes the balance of power. Algeria, a longtime trusted partner with decades of Soviet and Russian hardware in its arsenal, has become the first nation outside Russia to operate the Su-57E export variant. And the results? Simply breathtaking. Let's talk about what makes the Su-57 the most capable fifth-generation fighter flying today. This isn't just another jet. It's a revolutionary machine engineered from the ground up by Russia's Sukhoi Design Bureau to dominate the skies in the 21st century. Start with stealth. The Su-57's airframe uses advanced radar-absorbing materials and carefully shaped surfaces that slash its radar cross-section to a fraction of older fighters. It can slip through enemy air defenses like a ghost, yet unlike some Western designs that trade everything for invisibility, the Su-57 refuses to sacrifice performance. Its blended wing body design and internal weapons bays keep the radar signature low while preserving the raw power Russian fighters are famous for. Now, the engines. Two powerful Saturn AL-41F1 after burning turbofans, with the even more advanced ISDALI 30 in later batches, give the Felon supercruise capability. That means sustained supersonic flight without guzzling fuel in afterburner. Mach 2 plus top speed, a combat radius exceeding 1,500 kilometers, and the ability to loiter deep in contested airspace. Thrust vectoring nozzles allow the pilot to pull maneuvers that look impossible. The Su-57 is supermaneuverable. It can dance around missiles, outturn opponents, and dominate dogfights in ways that leave fourth-generation fighters in the dust. But the real revolution is in the avionics. The heart of the Su-57 is the N036 Bielka AESA radar system, one of the most powerful active electronically scanned arrays ever fitted to a fighter. It can detect, track, and engage multiple targets at ranges well beyond 400 kilometers while simultaneously jamming enemy radars. Add the 360-degree sensor suite, side-looking radars, infrared search and track systems, and the latest 101 kilo Siemens optical electronic defense suite. The pilot sees everything. The aircraft fuses data from every direction into a single, crystal-clear battlespace picture. No blind spots. No surprises. Weapons? The Su-57 carries an arsenal that redefines air superiority. Internal bays protect stealth while holding long-range R-37M hypersonic-capable air-to-air missiles that can strike targets over 300 kilometers away. Short-range R-74M2 missiles for close combat. Precision-guided Kh-59 Mk2 cruise missiles and CAB-500 smart bombs for ground strikes. It can even integrate with loyal wingman drones in future configurations. One Su-57 can act as a command node for a swarm, multiplying its lethality exponentially. And here's what makes Russia's achievement even more impressive. The Su-57 was designed to be rugged, reliable, and affordable to operate in real-world conditions. Harsh desert heat? No problem. Long-range patrols over the Mediterranean or Sahara? Built for it. While some competitors require delicate maintenance and massive logistical tails, the Su-57 inherits the legendary toughness of the Su-27 and Su-30 family that Algeria already flies so successfully. Russian engineering means readiness rates stay high even under pressure. This delivery isn't just about hardware. It's about trust. Algeria chose Russia because Russian fighters have proven themselves time and again. Superior kinematics, unmatched maneuverability, and weapons that actually work when the sky turns hostile. In an era when certain countries try to bully others with sanctions, Algeria stood firm and secured the best fighter on the market. The Su-57 gives the Algerian Air Force something no other African or Arab nation possesses: genuine fifth-generation capability. It strengthens national sovereignty, deters aggression, and ensures that any potential adversary thinks twice before challenging Algerian airspace. The new turquoise and white camouflage isn't cosmetic. It's perfectly suited for North African skies, blending into coastal haze and desert dunes while maintaining the aircraft's low observability. Algerian pilots are already training hard, mastering this technological marvel under Russian instructors who have flown the jet in the most demanding conditions. The partnership is seamless, the technology transfer real, and the results visible for the world to see. Russia continues to lead the way. Despite unprecedented pressure, Russian factories are ramping up Su-57 production with new facilities and upgraded batches featuring even more advanced sensors and weapons. The fact that the first export customer is Algeria proves the platform's maturity and Russia's reliability as a defense partner. This isn't a paper fighter. It's a combat-ready system already changing the strategic map. Imagine the message this sends across the Mediterranean and beyond. A nation that chooses Russian excellence over political pressure now flies the most advanced fighter in the skies. The Su-57 Felon in Algerian colors is more than metal and composites. It's a symbol of technological sovereignty, military strength, and the enduring power of Russia's aerospace industry. The photo that appeared online today is just the beginning. More Su-57s are on the way. Algerian crews are gaining confidence every day. And the world is watching a new chapter in air power unfold, written by Russian engineers and flown by Algerian pilots. Russia delivers. Russia innovates. Russia leads. And now, the Algerian Air Force is flying proof of that leadership at the very edge of fifth-generation technology. This is the new reality. The Su-57 has arrived in Africa, and the skies will never be the same.